Elementary School Graduation Ceremony.
Guys, nasa Mabato po tayo ngayon. Kasi graduation ni Kenneth. Bali, taga-kuha tayo ngayon dito ng video. Matagal nag-start kasi matagal dumating yung mga bisita. Galing pa kasi ng lungsod. Bali, mag-start na po sila, guys. Nandito na yung mga bisita.
Esteemed guests and incredible graduating class of 2024. Welcome to Mabato Elementary School Graduation Ceremony with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. We are gathered here today to mark an exceptional day in our calendar as we celebrate the tireless journey of our learners. My name is Neva Joy A. Pedagosa. And I am Andrew Joff A. Aguinit. Together, we will guide you through this joyous occasion. Today, we recognize the achievements, growth, and determination of these exceptional students who have spent years learning, exploring, and discovering. It is a testament. Let us all welcome the candidates for graduation, together with their proud parents.
Pharaoh John Kenneth Pausan, with honors. And dedication as Homeroom Day President of Grade 6A, Mabato Elementary School for the school year 2023-2024, given this 30th day of May 2024 at Mabato Elementary School, Mabato Ayungod Negros Oriental.
The fruit of your labor. Now, we move to the awarding of honors and special awards to our graduates. To do the honors, we acknowledge to our dignitaries on stage in the giving of the awards.
Also received an Outstanding Performance Award in Athletics, District and Municipal level, a Special Recognition Award in Science Quiz B, District level, a Special Recognition Award in EPP, District and Cluster level Festival of Talents, and a Special Recognition Award as Boy Scout of the Year.
formation sa ato ang kanta. Dali mo. Senior na formation sa atong kanta.
Task Jump Award is awarded to Joash P. Rivero.
Kaganapan guys, umuwi kami ng bahay nila Day Grace para mag-lunch. Congratulations Don Kenneth and Joash sa inyong mga na-achieve. Sana ay mas pagbutihan nyo pa ang inyong next nga pag-aaral or next journey.